This system warns you that you risk entering into a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian, or, depending on the model, a cyclist. It reduces your vehicle's speed in order to avoid the collision or reduce its severity. By default, each time you start the vehicle, the system is automatically activated. The system can be neutralized via the driver assistance application on the touchscreen. The system's deactivation is indicated by the illumination of this light along with a visual message. This system comprises 3 functions: collision risk alert, intelligent emergency braking assistance, and active safety brake. The collision risk alert warns you if your vehicle risks entering into a collision with the vehicle in front of you, a pedestrian, or a cyclist present in its lane. You can define the sensitivity with which the function warns you of the collision risk. To do so, use the driver assistance application on the touchscreen. Select one of the 3 predefined thresholds: far, medium, or near. The threshold selected is memorized when the ignition is cut. Several levels of alert can be triggered and displayed on the head-up display. Level 1 is an orange visual alert indicating that the vehicle in front of you is very close. The message, "Close vehicle," is displayed. Level 2 is a red visual alert and an alarm indicating that a collision is imminent. The message, "Brake," is displayed. Intelligent emergency braking assistance reinforces braking if you do not brake sharply enough to avoid a collision. Finally, the active safety brake functions after the alerts if you do not react quickly enough and do not brake. The system aims to reduce impact speed or avoid collision. The active safety brake functions under the following conditions. If your vehicle is not traveling at over 80 kilometers per hour when a pedestrian, a stationary vehicle, or a cyclist is detected, if your vehicle is traveling between 10 and 85 kilometers per hour with the active safety brake, or 10 and 140 kilometers per hour with active safety brake 2.0 when a moving vehicle is detected. This light flashes for around 10 seconds as soon as the function acts on your vehicle's brakes. With an automatic gearbox, in the case of emergency braking that brings the car to a halt, you must keep your foot on the brake pedal to stop the vehicle from moving again. These functionalities are based on perception systems, radars and cameras, which have their limits. The ability to perceive depends on weather conditions such as heavy rain, fog, direct sunlight, frost, snow, fogging. An orange pictogram will appear on the head-up display if the functions are unavailable. The driver remains solely responsible for his driving.